live look at the Selmon Expressway. Traffic is a lot lighter now than during the morning and evening commutes. And expansion hopes to ease that traffic in the long term.
A few weeks from now, construction will begin to add another lane heading east to downtown. That area, starting at Himes, typically clogs up when workers at MacDill Air Force Base head home. And tonight, 10 Tampa Bay News reporter Chris Hurst breaks down the project expected to take years to finish.
Since 2015, we've seen an 80% increase in traffic on the Selmon.
At 50 years old, this stretch of the Selmon from Gandy Boulevard to Florida Avenue downtown is set to get a facelift in May.
One of our biggest congestion points right now is eastbound in the afternoon coming from MacDill. This project is designed to alleviate a lot of that congestion.
By adding an extra lane, project manager Greg Deese hopes the bottleneck that slows the evening rush will go away. If that happens, traffic should be lighter on side streets like Bayshore that are often suggested as an alternate route.
We wanted to create an open house where people could come, learn about the project, learn about the benefits.
Tonight in Hyde Park, those who live next to the Selmon wanted to know about construction noise and vibrations at their homes.
So I'm real glad with the proposal the way it is.
But the noise that bothers Vicky Key is from traffic all day long as her home is next to the expressway. New noise walls should help quiet her neighborhood.
Oh, it's going to make it so wonderful because then my backyard is going to be livable. And it really is very difficult at certain times of day.
Construction will start at the downtown exit bottleneck and move west toward Gandy with a goal to be done by 2030.
We're restricting traffic closures to the nighttime hours. People won't have any sort of reduced lanes while peak traffic is ongoing.
The first thing you'll notice is tree clearing for where new lanes will be, then orange barricades in the coming weeks. In Tampa, Chris Hurst, 10 Tampa Bay News.
And you should know tolls are not going to pay for the project. It's costing nearly $400 million, but will be paid for with surplus toll money.